Okay, viewers, take note of this. Whenever you leave your answer in the polar form and you don't indicate your degrees in the argument side, we assume you are working in radians. For instance, I have z is equal to 80 multiplying cos 90 then plus I sine 90. We assume that you are working in radians while you are working in degrees. So to prevent that confusion, indicate your degrees for us to know that you are working in degrees. Otherwise, you assume you are working in radians. Be very, very careful and attentive about that. If you look at the question here, everything is what? In degrees. So we don't have any doubts in that. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.